I had the craziest transition from being the all-star student who played sports, president of clubs, doing everything. Let's just one of the most popular people in the school, to go into a place where I knew nobody, even though it's all in the same state. Didn't know that many people, and I wasn't used to having a lot of parties around me, because during that time, the University of Florida was the #1 party school for multiple years. So I went from studying all the time, doing things that I enjoyed, to like, oh, what is this? Alcohol? What is this? Parties all the time? Football games every weekend? I didn't know how to adjust to that because it was all new. As my friend would say, I was constantly stimulated by multiple things. What is all this new stuff? What is this? What is that? So I just kept integrating with these new people. I thought that was my way of integrating, was like, oh, I should go to this party, I should go do this, I should go do that. And it ended up derailing me in the studying part of college. Now, don't get me wrong, I still got my 4-year degree and everything, but the business all started because I messed up my first semester. I messed up in the business school. I went from setting myself up to getting a finance degree. I had this belief of like, man, I love stocks, I love investing, I'm gonna become an investment banker, I'm gonna go into business school, I'm gonna go in the finance, the finance path, I'm gonna, do everything I need to do, and I'm gonna go work on Wall Street. Within one semester, I completely messed that up by going from, you needed a 3.0 to stay. Within my first semester, I was at a 2.1 after the first semester. In order for me to get a 3, I had to get straight A's. I had never gotten straight A's ever in my life. There was no way I was going to do it magically in the second semester of college when I had never had straight A's ever before. So I just went on this journey of like, there has to be something else.